In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively loop audio in Canva to ensure your design projects come out just the way you want them. Canva is a versatile platform that many creators, educators, and businesses use to develop visually stunning content. Among its many features, audio can play a crucial role, particularly if you are looking to enhance presentations or videos with a consistent soundtrack. So if you've ever wondered how to seamlessly loop an audio track in Canva, you're in the right place. To begin, open up your Canva project. You might already have a project you're working on, or you could start a new one, depending on your plans. Make sure that your project includes an audio element that you want to loop. This could be background music or any sound that complements your visual content. Having your project ready makes the process simple and straightforward. Once your project is loaded, look for the audio track you want to loop. This could be a catchy tune or ambient sound. What you'll want to do is create a continuous loop that extends for the duration of your project, creating a seamless listening experience. To achieve this, locate your audio on the timeline or canvas and then right-click on the audio file. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From the menu, select the Copy option. Copying the audio is your first step towards looping it efficiently. With the audio copied, simply move along to the position in your timeline where you want the audio to repeat. Click in that spot and then use the paste function to add another instance of your chosen track. Each time you paste, you'll extend the loop. Continue this process, copying and pasting, until your audio track covers the entire desired duration of your project. This way, your audience will experience a smooth, uninterrupted audio flow, enhancing the overall impact of your video or presentation. It's a simple yet effective technique to keep the audience engaged and maintain the mood you're aiming to create. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully looped your audio in Canva. Like many things in the world of design, practice, and experimentation are your best friends. So don't hesitate to try different tracks, lengths, or timings to see what works best for your project. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks for all your Canva needs. Enjoy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.